Lesson 2, this is candlestick chart patterns. We will dive into the charts later in this video so you guys can kind of see them in the market, but candlestick charts are a popular way of representing price movements in financial markets. There are several common candlestick patterns that traders use to identify potential trades and market trends. Here are some key candlestick chart pattern vocabulary terms to know. You can see on the chart to the left, we have those big white candles, big black candles. I just call them impulsive candles. You could call them whatever you want. All you need to know is that's when it's a large body. Doji, indecisive candle, goes up, down, lands in the middle. Dragonfly went down, then back up to where it opened. And then the opposite, it went up and then back to where it opened, but just the reverse. Hanging man has a little bit of body, just like the dragonfly. Hammer, short, a little bit of wick up top. Inverted hammers, spinning top, shaven head, shaven bottom, marubozu, marubozu. None of that really matters. What you need to learn is price action, but I do wanted to cover this just in case people are going to use these in their strategies. And we'll look in the chart and just kind of see. So usually, now not always, but usually on a big reversal, you'll have those giant wicks on the bottom. This would be like a hammer. This would be the hanging man or a hammer. Dragonfly, doji, kind of all similar, right? Or the shaven head. Those are usually what you're going to see when price is flipping around, and you'll see the inverted ones of that going the opposite way. Here, kind of similar, right? Not so much here. Another one down here, followed by those big candles. Pretty good sign it's going to go that way, right? Then you can see right here, we had two of them, two an indecisive, and price just kind of chopped around before going back down. So long story short, you want the candlesticks to tell you a story about which way price is going to be flowing. Again, here you could see price rejecting. Then we have that big candle, kept going a little bit. And as price stops getting those big pushes, we start going back the other way, but same thing. It's just kind of chopping back and forth. It is going down, but it's chopping. And then boom, got that big candle and we started pushing up until price started dying out and chopping. So those are basic candlesticks. Go through the chart and start identifying where certain ones are likely to happen and what price will likely do after it. Just remember, nothing is certain. These are just probabilities to add into your, or tools to add into your tool belt and help increase your probability of taking a winning trade in the markets.